Good morning students. Today we will study class 5th chapter number 5 and the topic is inserting a table. Okay, today we will study only one topic, inserting a table. Now what you have to do in if you want to insert a table in when you are doing work in MS Word, if you want to create a table, then what you have to do and what is the process of inserting a table. Suppose a teacher has to list the number of students in class 5th and 7th that are inserted in a particular sport. That can be presented in 2 days. After that, now the horizon if you want to arrange a table, then what you have to do, first of all you have to open a Microsoft Word. Okay, you have to open a Microsoft Word. When you are opening a Microsoft Word, you can see the word has been opened here. Okay, the inserting a table. To insert a table in a Word document, move the cursor to the place where the table is to be inserted. You have to move the cursor on a you have to move the cursor on a table where you have to insert a table. Okay, after that, to place where the table is to be inserted, suppose that I have to insert a table here, then what you have to do, first of all click on insert tab. You have to click on insert tab. जब आप insert tab में click करेंगे, then what you have to do, click on a table tool in the table group. You have to click on a table tool. ये आपका table tool है, आप इसमें click करेंगे. Now drag the mouse pointer to select 6 column and 4 rows. You have to select a 6 column and 4 rows. 6 column, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 column आपने select किया. Now 4 rows. 1 row has been selected, 2 3 and 4. It means 6 column and 6 row have been selected from here. If you want to select, okay, if you want to select, see, the table has been selected here. It means 1 2 3 4 5 6 column and 4 rows has been selected. Okay, if you want to remove this, then what you have to do, select all table and right click here and go on cut option. Your table has been cutted from here. However, this method cannot be used when we need to insert a table having more than 10 columns. In each case, you need to follow the steps as shown. If you want to insert a 10 column or above a 10 column, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, आपके 10 कॉलम्स हैं एंड टोटल रोज कितनी है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows. And if you want to select a more than 10 column and more than 8 rows, then what you have to do, first of all click on insert tab. You have to same process you have to do, click on insert tab. After that you have to click on table. टेबल में जब आप क्लिक करेंगे, आपके सामने पूरा ऑप्शंस दिख रहे हैं. यू कैन सी द टेबल एंड रोज एंड कॉलम आर अपीयर्ड हियर. देन यू हैव टू डू ऑन इंसर्ट टेबल. आप इंसर्ट टेबल में क्लिक करेंगे. नाउ सेलेक्ट द नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड नंबर ऑफ कॉलम. सपोज दैट यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट अ 15 रोज, देन you have to 15 column. You have selected 15 rows and 10 rows. 15 column and 10 rows. This is your 10, 15 column and 10 row has been selected. Then click on OK. You can see here it is selected 15 column and 10 rows you have selected from here. This is the way you can select a row and column. Firstly, what you have to do when you have to insert a table, then you have to click on the insert tab. First point. Second is drag the mouse pointer to select the 6 column and 4 rows, or how many column and how many rows if you want to select, then you can select from there. Now click on the last square of the selected range. When you are selecting, you have to click on last square. After that, the table is inserted in the Word file. Your table has been inserted on a Word file. Okay, this is the way you can select, then use a cut option from here. Now, however, this method cannot be used when we need to insert a table having more than 10 column. In such case, you need to follow the steps. Now the first step is click on the insert tab. Second is click on the table tool in the table group. Fourth one, change the number of column, number of rows. You have to change the number of column and number of rows. After that, click on OK to insert a tab. Now, this is the topic today which we have discussed. Okay, you have to practice it in your home if you are having a system. In our next class, we will discuss the next topic. The topics are moving in table, entering data in table, selecting cell, rows and column. Let's take a quick revision of our past chapter number 4. Chapter number 4 is your MS Word 2010 to insert the tab. If you want to insert a tab, let's take the quick revision of this chapter, and I have provided the worksheet also of this chapter. Okay, if you want to adding a clip art, then what you have to do, if you want to add a clip art in your picture, what you have to do, firstly click on the insert tab. Same process, you have to click on insert tab, then click on the clip art to open a clip art task pan to the right side of the word window. आपको clip art में click करना है. After that, this is your clip art. You can see this is your clip art. You can click here. Then in the search for option, type the clip art you want to insert. For example, type a car and click on go. Now second, you can scroll down to find the more option. After that, you have to do, click on the clip art to insert it into the file. After that, the clip art is inserted in the file. Now the next is click on the close button to close the task. This is the way you can add a clip art picture. After that, your second topic in this chapter is adding picture from a file. If you want to add a picture from a file, then what you have to do, click on insert tab. Same process you have to do, click on insert tab, then click on insert tab में जब आप click करेंगे, after that click on picture to open the insert picture. Click on pictures. This is the picture option. Click on picture. After that, locate and click on picture you want to insert. If you want to insert a picture, then you have to locate on a picture. Once a picture is inserted in a word file, you can make the following changes. जब आपकी एक बार पिक्चर इंसर्ट हो जाती है, तब आप उसमें कई सारे चेंजेस कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज resizing and stretching. If you want to insert a picture, and if you have inserted a picture, you can change many sizes. So first one is resizing and scratching. A picture can be resized, made larger or smaller or longer. आप उसमें पिक्चर को रिसाइज कर सकते हैं, उसको लार्ज कर सकते हैं, स्मॉल कर सकते हैं और उसको लॉन्गर कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो डू क्रॉपिंग ऑफ दिस पिक्चर. इफ यू वांट टू क्रॉप एनी पिक्चर, यू कैन क्रॉप एंड ओनली अ selected picture would be inserted. If you want to add a style, if you want to adding a style in your picture, suppose that oval, square, rectangular, or many shapes are given here. You have to, same process, you have to click on a format tab. Here you have to click on format tab, then choose any one of the style. After that, इन पिक्चर स्टाइल क्लिक ऑन बटन टू ओपन अ ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट. जब आपकी ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट ओपन हो जाएगी, तब उसमें आप अपनी स्टाइल्स को सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट, सेकंड टॉपिक इज इंसर्टिंग वर्ड आर्ट. इफ यू वांट टू इंसर्ट अ वर्ड आर्ट इन योर पिक्चर, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, सेम प्रोसेस, क्लिक ऑन इंसर्ट टैब, क्लिक ऑन वर्ड आर्ट, and after that click on any one of the given style. Then जो भी आपकी given style रहेंगी, वर्ड आर्ट पे क्लिक करने के बाद तब आप उसमें आपने insert टैब में क्लिक किया. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन वर्ड आर्ट. दिस इज योर वर्ड आर्ट एंड यू कैन सी there are many styles given here and you can choose any one from here. Now a box, after that type your text, for example computer. If you want to, if you have selected a word art, this one, then you have to type your text here. आप अपना टेक्स्ट यहाँ पे टाइप कर सकते हैं. आई एम टाइपिंग COMPUTER कंप्यूटर. I have typed here computer. This is your text. Now in word style group, click on the drop down arrow text effect to open the list. अब आप यहाँ पे ड्रॉप डाउन एरो, दिस वन क्विक स्टाइल पे आप क्लिक करके आप यहाँ पे अपना कोई भी इफेक्ट ले सकते हैं. सी हाउ दिस कैन बी चेंज. इफ आई एम सेलेक्टिंग, I have selected this one, this can be changed. I am selecting 3D, then you can see how it is changing. You can do from here. After that, your formatting word art, same process you have to do. In formatting word art also, click on format tab, then click on select the word art first. After that click on format tab. then click on text file drop down. After that, click on color to be filled in word art. Click on the no fill option if you do not want any color to be filled in the word art. Okay, I have explained you last chapter, your past chapter, chapter number 4 also, and today we have discussed chapter number 5, only one topic, and the topic is inserting a table. And if you have system in your home, you can practice all this chapter. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.